All right, let's jump right in. We're talking AI music generation here. Once you log in to Make Best Music, head to the top and click on Playground. That's going to automatically take you to the Music Generate page. And this is where the magic happens. Now, on the left side, you've got all your quick references lined up. Under Create Music, there's this feature called Split Music. Click on that, and you can upload any song you want. Hit Split and watch what happens. It literally separates the song into different parts. I'm talking lyrics, drums, bass, all the individual elements pulled apart. Let me show you real quick. I've already got a song I made uploaded in here. I'll click on it and boom, it splits everything up. Now I can play around with the intensity of each part. Check this out.
Shawty, you the type to make the world stop. Every move you make, get a room job. You got that glow, baby, no filter on it. Every curve, every look, yeah, I'm drawn to it. Vibes on 10, I ain't playing pretend. If you down for the night, we can run it again. You the only one I see when the lights fade. Feeling like a dream, I don't wanna escape. Girl, it's all on you. Everything you do, got me feeling brand new, so new. If love's a game, girl, I'm falling through. Tonight it's all on you.
Okay, that song was good though, right? I actually made this right here in Make Best Music. Comment below. Which artist do you think this was based off of? Let's see if you can guess the inspiration. Okay, next up is the AI voice cover. This one's pretty wild. Click on Convert Song, upload your track, and once it's up there, you can change the voice to literally anything. You can upload your own singing voice and use that, or you can scroll through their library of public voices. And look at this, they have so many voices to choose from. It's honestly kind of insane. Then you've got MIDI studio and music mastering. Real talk, these are more for people who actually produce and mix music. That stuff's a bit too advanced for me, so I don't really mess with those options. After that, there's the lyric writer, which is pretty self-explanatory, does exactly what it sounds like, a place for you to write a song. They also have some new options that look like they're testing out. Now here's a pro tip. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of any page and click on Doc, it takes you straight to their Getting Started page. That whole section walks you through how their systems work and how to write your prompts the right way. Definitely check that out if you're new. And check this out, they've also got a lyric generator under the Tools section. Super clean setup. Here's how it works. You'll see fields for your topic, keywords, style, and language. Fill those out based on what vibe you're going for, then hit Generate. I have already generated a song and it took less than a minute. Your lyrics pop up on the right side of the screen, and here's the best part. At the top, it gives you the options to copy or generate the music. Pro tip, most of these sections have helpful instructions at the bottom. Scroll down and you'll find step-by-step guidance if you get stuck or want to understand the features better. Let's get back to the playground though, so we can create some music. This is what you're really here for. At the top, you've got two modes, simple and custom. Let's break down the simple options. This is super straightforward, I promise. First up, you've got your text box where you describe what you want the song to be about. Just type in your concept or idea. Right below that, you can set it to simple or instrumental, depending on if you want vocals and music or just the music. Then you've got the For You section where you can choose your style from the options they give you. Now, you can also type your style directly into that text box along with what you want the song about. But honestly, I usually don't do that. Keep it simple. Here's where it gets cool though. If you want to skip all that and take a shortcut, scroll down a bit. There's an option to listen to example songs. If you vibe with what you hear, just hit similar and boom, those lyrics pop up in the text box for you to look at. If you're happy with everything, hit create. Pretty simple, right? This is actually a new feature, so if you've been using this platform before and haven't seen this yet, go check it out. It's a game changer when you need something super fast. I already created a song using this feature. We'll listen to what I created in just a minute, but first, let's jump into the custom option real quick. Okay, at the top of the custom option, you've got two modes. Normal, which is for songs with lyrics and music, and instrumental, which is just the music. Pretty straightforward. Right on top of that, you'll see the models section. Under that is a box where you can type in your lyrics. And if you need help, just click on the AI lyrics option. Type in what you want the song to be about. Something like, I want to write a song about falling in love for the first time. Just give it the vibe you're going for. Below that, you'll find the styles box. And if you're feeling adventurous or just don't know what you want yet, you can hit random style and let it surprise you. Under that section, there are presets to help guide you to set your style information. But honestly, if you already know your vibe, you don't have to use them. The first preset is genre. Click on the first set and they branch out into more options. So let's say we click on jazz, blues, and hip hop. Then you get this whole breakdown list. Click show more to expand it. Let's try something I haven't done yet, Delta blues. That sounds good. Next, go to moods. Click show more again, and I'm going with soulful for this one. All right, now let's hit voices. Show more one more time, and we'll go with a male voice. As you can see, each style category has a bunch of different options to play with. Now let's go to tempos. We'll keep it medium for this track. Below the style section, you'll see a new section called Advanced Options. And when I say new, I mean really new. Like this section literally wasn't here earlier today. So props to them for constantly improving their system. I think this section is super handy if you've already generated a song and want to come back and edit it. But you can definitely use it up front too if you want that level of control from the start. Here's what you can adjust: styles, gender, weirdness, and style influence. And get this, if you hover over each option, it'll tell you exactly what it does. Super helpful, right? The weirdness and style influence sliders basically control how closely the AI follows your instructions. So you can dial in how experimental you want the AI to be. Then you have your title box. You can fill that in now or come back to it later, whatever works for you. Then you have your create button. Now, depending on how long your song is, this usually takes about 2 minutes to generate. And here's the cool part. Each generation gives you 2 songs. Same lyrics, but different instrumentals. So you automatically get options. On the right side of the screen, you'll see all the songs you've already generated. Click on any song and you'll get a box that shows your lyrics and all the settings you used to create it. In that same section, you can also expand your song. When you click the 3 dots, you'll see a whole list of options pop up. And this is important. The most important thing on this page is the commercial license. Fill that out and download it. Trust me, you want to have that covered. All right, let's listen to the song we just made and the song we did earlier. And right after that, I'll play you a few others I've done so you can hear the variety.
Incense swirl on dimmer too. Your fingertips paint deja vu. Silk sheets talk when bodies slide. Moonlight drips from your ocean eyes. Heartbeat.
Morning light spills through the window. I'm still replaying last night in my head.
Woke up feeling like the queen that I am. Checks coming in, yeah, I move like a brand. Ain't waiting on nobody, I create the demand. Whole squad eating good, yeah, we built from the plan. Talk slick if you want, but the numbers don't lie. Every time I drop heat, that chalk get high. Pretty in them plate, that's the combo, right? Head high, chrono, yeah, I shine all night. Hey, I'm the boss, I'm the vibe, I'm the headline talk. Stacking money, manifesting, watch the blessing walk. They can copy all they want, but they can't do me. I'm the truth, I'm the proof, yeah, the real queen bee.
Daddy's truck had mud on the tires. Mama's kitchen smelled like pecan pie. We'd sit on the porch and watch the sun go.
Every night I close my eyes, I still see your face. Your smile, your touch, your sweet embrace.
Sounds good, right? I wish I could play them all. I have some really good songs, guys. Now, if you want to use ChatGPT for your song lyrics and the style information you need to put in, I will have a prompt for you to use in the description. Now I'm going to show you the short music style video I came up with for AI Royal Creations. And you can do the same.
You know what's scary? Building dreams with every line. Digital hustle looking so divine. Learn, create, we rise together. Royal fam shining now and forever. Creations, crown in the sky, turning vision into gold. We amplify pixels to power. It's our foundation. This is the reign of Royal creation. Royal creation. Royal creations.
So that's the video I put together, and honestly, I had so much fun making it. I absolutely love how the song turned out. It really captures what the channel is all about. Now, here's something you need to know. At the time I'm making this video, Make Best Music is running a 40% off discount on yearly subscriptions. That's a solid deal if you're serious about creating music. Think about everything you can do with AI music. You can create background tracks for your YouTube videos, make custom songs for your business, generate music for your social media content, or even just experiment and have fun creating those AI music videos. The possibilities are really endless. So that's it for this one. Until next time, as always, don't forget to learn, create, and reign the AI royal way. And hey, if you're interested in making coloring books for your kids during the holidays, click on the video on screen.